स्टूडेंट्स, आज की जो प्रॉब्लम डिस्कशन के लिए है वो है प्रॉब्लम 3.52 आई इरोडो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म। ये क्वेश्चन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड गॉस लॉ का इंटीग्रेशन है। ये तीन चीज़ें इसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व हैं। एप्लीकेशन ऑफ गॉस लॉ, द रिलेशन बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, दीज टू आर द मेन कंसेप्ट्स। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन अगेन आई रिक्वेस्ट कि आप एक बार देख लें, इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़ लें। आपके सामने क्वेश्चन लिखा है एंड मैं आपको यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन को जस्ट एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ कि क्या क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं यहाँ पर। तो इस क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से कुछ इस टाइप की सिचुएशन दी जा रही है कि यहाँ पर वी हैव टू पैरेलल प्लेट्स लाइक दिस। वी हैव टू पैरेलल प्लेट्स, दे आर वेरी लार्ज। तो लेट्स से plate 1 which is on the left side, and then we have one more plate, plate 2 on the right side. So there are total two very large parallel plates, or it is given that the separation between them is a distance small d. It is given in the question. It is also given that the space between them, it is given in the problem, if you can read, it is given that this space which is between the plates, this space between the plates is filled with charges. So you have charges all over this space, all over in this space. As per the question language, the space between the two plates is filled by the charges, and the most important part is that it is filled by charges of uniform density, which means the density rho, which is coulomb per meter cube, density rho having the unit of coulomb per meter cube. This is constant for the entire space, right? One more information in this problem is, one more information in this question is that having such situation, you get zero electric field. In this situation, you get zero electric field near one plate, right? This field strength in the vicinity of one of the plates equals to 0. So let's say this is plate number 1, plate number 2, and field strength near the plate 1 as per this question is found to be 0 as per this question. And the potential difference between the plates is equals to, it should be delta V. So the potential difference between these two plates is given as delta V, right? So ये क्वेश्चन है जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है, एंड दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट द वैल्यू ऑफ रो, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो आस्किंग अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नियर द सेकेंड प्लेट. सो ये दो क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द चार्ज डेंसिटी एंड व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नियर सेकेंड प्लेट. ठीक है, सो ये था क्वेश्चन. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करोगे, तो मैंने कहा ना कि इसके अंदर दो कंसेप्ट्स लगने वाले हैं, एक एप्लीकेशन ऑफ गॉस लॉ एंड दूसरा रिलेशन बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. तो पहले अगर आप गॉस लॉ की एप्लीकेशन करते हो, यहाँ पर गॉस लॉ की एप्लीकेशन, तो लेट्स से कि अगर आप प्लेट 1 से x डिस्टेंस फॉरवर्ड आते हो और यू से r डिस्टेंस फॉरवर्ड आते हो, वी आर r डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड प्लेट, and we assume the electric field in this direction to be in this direction. We assume the electric field to be in the right side direction. Then we need to select a Gaussian surface. We need to select a Gaussian surface to find the value of electric field. And in case of parallel plates, the most suitable Gaussian surface, the most preferred Gaussian surface or suitable Gaussian surface should be a cylindrical Gaussian surface. You can select a cylindrical Gaussian surface having length parallel to electric field. The length of cylindrical Gaussian surface should be parallel to this electric field, and the two ends, the two circular ends of Gaussian cylinders, they are perpendicular to this electric field. Now if I find flux for this cylinder, which is my Gaussian surface now, Remember, this cylinder is my Gaussian surface. So if I go for finding flux of electric field, so this Gaussian surface can be divided in three pieces. This Gaussian surface can be divided in three pieces. One, the left side circular face. Second, its curved surface. And third, its right side circular face. So this Gaussian surface this closed cylinder has three surfaces. This circular surface, right side circular surface, and this one, which is a curved surface. And notice that the electric field at the location of left surface is 0. Electric field at the location of right surface is in this direction. And in between the direction of electric field is right side. So if the direction of electric field is right side, which means the direction of electric field is parallel to this curved surface. I should write it curved surface. So this electric field is parallel to the curved surface of that Gaussian surface. So surface and electric field both are parallel. Therefore, flux for this curved surface will be 0. Flux for this small circular surface is also 0 because of no electric field. So only flux is at this end, and if this end has area of say delta A, then the flux for this end will be written as E times delta A. Right. Now you add all the three flux to get the total flux for the Gaussian surface. So if we add all three values to get total flux, I get total flux equals to E times delta A. So if I get total flux E times delta A, phi total for that cylinder is now E delta A, which as per the Gauss law should be equals to, it should be equals to the total charge inside this cylinder divided by epsilon 0. And total charge inside this cylinder can be obtained as the volume of this Gaussian cylinder, which is length r into cross sectional area delta A multiplied by density of charge rho. So you get electric field as rho small r by epsilon 0. So this is electric field at a distance small r from the left side surface. Now electric field is in front of us. We know the electric field now. Now I will apply the relation between electric field and the corresponding potential difference, and which is as potential difference between point 1 and point 2, V1 minus V2, which is the potential difference between point 1 and point 2, is the integral of electric field dot product with dot product dr from position 1 to position 2. So if you apply this relation in this case, 1 and 2, they have a potential difference of delta V. 1 and 2, they have potential difference of delta V. And in the electric field part, you can write this value, which is rho r by epsilon 0. In the electric field portion, you can write rho r by epsilon 0. And the limits of integration should be from r equals to 0, because left side r is 0, and for the right side surface r equals to d. So I will not do the calculation for you. You put the electric field here, put the limits 0 to small d, r equals to 0 to r equals to d, and the potential difference is given in your problem, delta V. This potential difference is given. So delta V is given, and if you put electric field and you put the limits, you get rho by epsilon 0, 2 into d square, which gives you charge density rho as 2 epsilon corresponding potential difference delta V over d square. This is the answer for charge density. And once we have the value of charge density, we can give answer to the second part, which is what is the electric field near the other plate. So what is the electric field near the other plate? To get this electric field, you simply substitute r equals to d, because the second plate is at r equals to d. So if I put r equals to d, I get electric field near second surface. So that electric field will be now electric field near the second plate will be rho by epsilon times small r, and you need to substitute rho also. You need to put this value of rho. You need to put rho here and r equals to d here, and then you will get the answer, and which I guess the answer should be 2 epsilon delta v over d. No, sorry, it should not be epsilon naught. It is simply 2 times of delta v by d. That is the electric field near the other plate. Right. So ये था सोल्यूशन 3.52 प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम द IE इरिडो, और बहुत ही अच्छी क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज ये दो कंसेप्ट को इंटीग्रेट करता है. वन विच इज़ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ गॉस लॉ एंड द सेकेंड रिलेशन बिटवीन द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड एसोसिएटेड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बिटवीन द 2 पॉइंट्स. आई होप कि आपका डाउट क्लियर हो गया होगा. स्टिल अगर आपको डाउट है, फर्दर कुछ भी क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए, you are free to write the message and I will try to clear the doubt through WhatsApp or through personal message or by any other means. Till then, thank you.